Hey, what's up, everyone? My name is Barry Solomon, aka the Crypto Cowboy. If you want to look me up and research me to see that I am a real live person, go on ahead and do a Google search for Barry J. Solomon, Barry, the letter J as in job, Solomon, J, job. That's probably a bad idea to say job, but J as in jack of trade. I don't know. So, wanted to introduce you to this BlockFi. Oh, just so you know, I need to address the fact that this channel that you're watching this on, which is my channel, Crypto Cowboy Billionaire. Now, a lot of this is my code name. This is my code name, right? Everyone has to have a code name. Now, a lot of these people in crypto, they don't like to use their real name. They like to use code names. They have their reasons, I'm sure. But I am building a brand. And so not only am I in crypto, I am also currently in Virginia. From California, but I'm currently in Virginia working on a rehab, a buy and buying a fix and hold property. So in the meantime, while I'm on my when I have some downtime, I come on here and I share what I'm learning. Like, look, listen really close to what I'm about to say. I'm 47 years old and I don't have time for no learning curve. I don't have time to go on YouTube and watch a bazillion YouTube videos from a bazillion different people, YouTubers out there sharing content on what coin should I buy, what coin should I not buy, and all this crypto stuff. So this channel is designed for the one and only beginner-friendly crypto channel. So I am as I learn new stuff, I'm going to come here and share it with you, my audience, my subscribers. So if you're watching this video on YouTube, what you want to do now is go on ahead and subscribe by clicking this little icon right here in the video. At the end of this video, there'll be a little icon with a red square. You'll want to go on ahead and click that and subscribe to my channel if you find the content valuable. All right, so this channel is for newbies. This channel is for people who ain't got time to be going all over YouTube searching for the right video. So I'm just going to share different websites, different experiences that I have on this crypto journey. I am part of a huge crypto community. So a lot of the stuff that I'm going to share with you, I'm learning from my community. Again, click on this little icon right here, or just go on ahead and go click on the subscribe button somewhere on my channel. So next thing I want to show you is this here, BlockFi. This is a credit card that you can earn interest on your Bitcoin rewards, and you can, for every time you use this card, you get, instead of getting frequent flyer miles, like if you have a regular credit card, you can get frequent flyer miles and all kind of different rewards. You can use it so many times that you buy yourself an airplane ticket free. Here, it's all Bitcoin, all Bitcoin, all Bitcoin. So go on ahead. I'm going to share my link in this video description to BlockFi, where you can get you have to get on the waiting list. So go on this video that you're watching. If you go here and select, it's going to say show more. Scroll down. It's going to say show more. Click on that, or you might see the link right around here, and the link is going to look something like this. This is going to be the link that you're going to click on in order to get this BlockFi Visa card. But you have to get on the waiting list because it's so new that it's not even out yet. So yes, I am going to be compensated once you click on this link right here in the video description. I'm going to be compensated, not in the form of money, but in the form of, there's a waiting list, and my position will go higher on the waiting list. Let me show you something. Let me show you what I mean. Give me 1 second. I'm going to pause the video right quick, and I'm going to show you what I mean and show you what you can do as well. So you can share this with people that you know. Wait, I'm going to show you something really cool. I'll be right back. Okay, so here's something really cool I'm going to show you. So after you click on this link, this is my link in the YouTube description, you're going to help me go up the ladder as far as the waiting list. Let me show you what I mean by that. here in my email address, this is when my first person that I referred. It says, congrats, you just moved up on the waiting list. So every time you send this link, you're going to have your own link. You're going to have a link that looks sort of like this once you go on ahead and get on the waiting list and confirm your email. So once they send you that email, you're going to confirm it. You're going to have a link that looks something like this in that same email, that first email that BlockFi sends you. And you're going to share that with your friends and your family, people that know, love, and trust you. And you're going to share your link with them and tell them that, hey, just get on the waiting list, just like I'm telling you, and help me get into the top 10. So let me show you what I mean by that. So the first time I shared this link right here, that link, first time I shared it with someone that I know, I said, hey, just get on this waiting list so you can get some Bitcoin rewards, and they pay rewards in Bitcoin. And they were like, oh, cool. And so they got on. And so when the first person, this is my number. This is where I was on the waiting list. It says you're now 18601. That's after referring 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 people. So the first person I referred, if you take a look at this, I was so now I'm at 1, 2, 3, 7. So somewhere on one of these, if you can see, if you look at this number right here, it's going to keep changing each time I click on one of these. See, there it changed again. So my number, I've just kept moving up the list. So the same thing is going to happen to you. You're just going to keep moving up the list. And my goal is to get in the top 10. So I started at number 3,000 something. Now I'm number 5. Then I was 5,000 something. And now I'm number, where's that email at? Here, this is my place in line. Now I'm the 1,200th person. And you know me, I'm an overachiever, so I'm trying to get into the top 10. So you can do the same thing. Just invite a whole bunch of friends and family. Tell them, hey, go sign up for this. Just get on the waiting list, and I'll tell you what to do later. And that's what I did. And that's how I was able to go up the list as far as the waiting list to be in line for this particular card. So go on ahead and do that. Like and subscribe if you like this channel, if you think this content was valuable to you. If you're watching this video, you probably never even heard of BlockFi, let alone a credit card that would allow you to get rewards in Bitcoin, Satoshis. It's not going to be an entire Bitcoin. Keep that in mind. This is not going to be one Bitcoin. This is going to be Satoshis, a piece of Bitcoin, little fractions of Bitcoin. So it's time you got on the ball, time you got in the game. It's time you got into the crypto world. And this will be a good first step for you to start earning or owning Bitcoin. Thanks for watching. My name is Barry Solomon, aka the Crypto Cowboy. I'll leave links to my other stuff in the video description right here. I'm also in real estate investment, and I also, another thing that I do is my partner and I help people put together fully automated Walmart and Amazon stores. So if you're interested in getting a fully automated Walmart and Amazon store, and so far we have around 30 to 50 clients, and in the 12th month you're looking at getting into the 30K in profit range by the 12th month. So if that's something you're interested in, go on ahead and hit me up on Facebook or Instagram. I'll put the links right here to my Instagram and my Facebook in the video description below. And thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that like button. Hit that like button right here. Subscribe and ring that bell and all that good stuff. Crypto Cowboy out.